am ready to install this backing. Let's talk about this just for one brief minute. Remember, I've got these brackets here. I've got a piece of 1x3 pine. I just cut it. I can wedge it in there, and it doesn't have to be exact. I actually made it bigger than the opening. And see, it's just going to sit there and be attached here. Well, I got this bracket here, so I can't push this down low enough flush with the wood, can I? But it's there before this sheetrock went up, so the sheetrock kind of bulges up just a hair at all the locations. One here, one here, one over here, one over here. Okay, so I'm going to leave that. I was first thinking, should I notch this wood for the brackets? And I thought, nah, I'm not going to do that, because it really doesn't make any difference. The sheetrock's going to push up against here. It's going to be flush over at all corners anyways, okay? And because this is pine, I've just got some 1 5/8" sheetrock screws. That's what they look like. And these are coarse threads. Okay, I always carry different size sheetrock screws with me. Right now I got 1 1/4", 1 5/8", 2 inch, and lots of times I'll use 2 1/2 and 3 inch. Okay, so because this is pine, it's going to be easy to screw through, and because these joists are over 50 years old, so I don't want to start taking some nails, some 8-penny vinyl sinkers or something, and start nailing it into here, because I could loosen this up and start shaking everything apart, and maybe the joist is really hard as rock, and the nails aren't going to penetrate as easily as screws. Okay, so I'm just going to pull this down as tight as I can and screw it in. And I could get by with just 2 screws, you know, if I wanted. That's enough to hold the sheetrock. Okay, that's all you're doing. That's just a piece of backing to hold this side of the sheetrock up and this side of the sheetrock up. And I'm going to go ahead and put another screw in down here, just because. That's it. I don't have to do any more than that, because like I said, it's just a little piece of backing. Okay, now once I cut the sheetrock, I've got 3/4 of an inch of backing here. That's why it's called sheetrock backing, because all this piece of wood here is for is to hold the patch piece of sheetrock. Okay, here and over here. All right.
What about the brackets?
What about the brackets? We're leaving them there. Those brackets are going to be hidden. They're going to be up in the ceiling for the next 50 years, probably. They don't have to come down. They're not serving any purpose now. They're just up there. If I wanted to cut those off, I could have cut them off. But, you know, they're not hurting anything. It's not going to mess with anything. So that's how it lives. Sometimes when you do remodeling, you just have to leave certain things up there. Okay, well, I guess that's it for today. I got the plastic up there. I got it all taped off all the way around the edges, and I'll pull that down next time I'm here. Whew. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.